South Africa's playing rugby again today, so fingers crossed we win this time. But I'm gonna head to the grocery store because if you can see here, it says 90% chance it's gonna rain today. So let's get on the bike, let's go get the groceries so we don't have to travel in the rain. Even though we do love our latex suit. It's coming. We won the rugby, so that's great news. We're fully stocked. Groceries done. I think I'm gonna take a nap because it is a Saturday, so I can take a nap. And I've been quite busy lately, so it's nap time. I also this morning I spilled my coffee all the way down me, and the shirt is dried now, but it smells like coffee and it smells so nice. Why do we not have perfume that smells like coffee? Anyway, I'll see you. Well, these match quite well. I'll see you in like 25 minutes. I'm gonna make gammon. So it's time to cook dinner, and this was on sale today, so we're gonna make fake gammon. So I'm not gonna show you the whole process, but I'll show you at the end. I'm also drinking my chocolate milk. Look at it! It looks so good! I'm excited! Almost there! 700!